So we're going to go over circular motion. And this is just the quick little formula. You're going to write this on the right side. It explains kind of how, like, if you have like a little ball string, like a little ball at the end, and if you're kind of spinning it around, you're twirling around, and if you let it go, it's going to go straight out this way. So this is kind of the path that you're following as you're spinning this. If you let it go here, it's going to go that way. If you let it go here, it's going to go straight, right? It's going to go straight wherever you let that little ball go. Right here, it'll go straight that way. It's not going to kind of curve like that. It's going to go just straight out, okay? That's called the tangent velocity. And this is a formula that we're using. To find how fast it's going, we have the centripetal acceleration. So acceleration equals velocity divided by the radius. Okay. So let's go ahead and try out an example. So this is on the left side. So a test car moves at a constant speed around a circular track. If the track is 48.2 meters from the track center and has a centripetal acceleration of 8 meters per second squared, what is its tangential speed? So how fast is it going? Okay, if we know the acceleration, so we know this is acceleration because acceleration is meters per second squared. Okay, anything that has that, that's acceleration. Anything that has meters per second is velocity, and radius is in meters. Okay, so we know 8.05 is right here. 8.05 equals, this is my radius, because it's meters. Meters is on the bottom. V squared. So what do we do here? We multiply, right? And let's get out a calculator. 8.05, 8.05 times 48.2 gets me 388. 388 equals V squared. And to get rid of the squared, we do the square root. So we do the square root of 388. 388 square root, and that gives me 19.6. Equals the velocity. Meters per second. Okay, we're going to do another example. So this is on the left side again of your notes. You move at a constant velocity of 12 meters per second, and you are 5 meters from a track center. Find the acceleration. So we know this is supposed to be the velocity. 15 squared over the radius. So we do 15 squared. 15 times 15. 225. That's 225 divided by 5. 225. And that gives me 45. Acceleration equals 45 meters per second squared. And we're going to do one more final example. So here a student athlete is participating in the hammer throw. The student rotates in uniform circular motion with the mass rotating 4 meters away from the center of rotation at an acceleration of 7 meters per second. So here, instead of, we're trying to find acceleration and velocity, instead of finding something like from a straight line from like a car, like that we were going over, right? And that's going in a straight line. So how do you find that in a circle? We're using here this formula. So here, this is acceleration because it's got meters per second squared. And they're giving us radius, right? Meters is the bottom one. So v squared, we're going to cross multiply. 7 times 4, 7, 14, 21, 28 equals v squared. Now we take the square root of 28. Our answer is going to be in meters per second. Square root of 28 is 5.2. So the velocity is 5.2. And very simple, easy, quick formula. A equals v squared over r lets us know the acceleration and the velocity.